When you join this workshop, you have access to a private chat group with direct support from me. In this workshop, I'm going to teach you how to use the design software that I've been using to design all of my projects on since 2013. I'm going to teach you from the basic tools. So this is just a very simple exercise. One of the very important things is to learn how to navigate and look around. Left click once, drag it over to how to design a cupboard from scratch. So that's the way I start. So I know this is the size I want the cupboard. So now I'm going to select my rectangle tool, start in this corner, left click, drag it over to the opposite side of the back. Left click to drop it, P for push pull, left click once, drag your mouse towards yourself to drag this down to make it 3D, and then on your keyboard 16, enter. Alright, so we are almost done. Also how to fill in a cutting list from scratch. So I've got a blank here, carcass sides, so this is my carcass, so that's the sides and this middle. Edging both sides here, we want to subtract 2mm there, and the same top and bottom 2mm there, and the same all around. But in reality, after you've done the lessons where I show you how to use my design templates that you receive in this course. This is the cupboard template that you receive with the course, and you can copy it and break it up into pieces and just resize those pieces to draw a custom cupboard. In this lesson, I show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Welcome to this kitchen template exercise. I'm going to show you how to use this to draw up a kitchen much quicker than it would have been if you had to draw it from scratch. And how to use the component design file with the cutting list. This is a PDF to show you all the cupboards that's in the template, in the design template. How to take screenshots to use in your presentations, and then how to quickly fill in a cutting list for those cupboards that you resized from the component templates. That's from the copy and paste cutting list, and here this is the formulated cutting list. Once you know how to use those and how to resize them, this is the kitchen components and cutting list lesson. With that you also get your PDF with all the components listed on there, and then again I take you step by step how to use those components to draw a kitchen. Now I just select the units that I want to use in my design. When you use these templates, you want to use the standard units as much as possible, so you have to make minimal changes to the cutting list. In this kitchen design, I only made changes to one of the units, the drawer unit, and now I can make those changes manually on the copy and paste cutting list or automatically on the formulated cutting list that's color coded. Now you have the skills and you have the templates, and because of this In reality, you'll never have to design a cupboard from scratch again, ever, or fill in a cutting list from scratch again, ever.